Mark Sky Stocks back at it again. I pretty much didn't do a video yesterday, so I pretty much knocked it out today, as long with the trade I took today. BITA was actually the trade from yesterday. As you can see, I was looking for a downtrend break, a curl up, probably to about 29.50 area, but I got the total opposite. It started to curl, it was looking good. It started coming back down. Market was closing. I was expecting this to at least gap up tomorrow morning and then pull and take off, but it did the total opposite. It pretty much came down to this 26.84, which I was looking for some support here, for it to bounce up, but again it broke it and continued to the downside. Once it did that, I was looking now at the 25.31. Hopefully it can bounce and we can go back up. Market open, came in it, couldn't hold above it, started pulling, I exited the trade. So this was a wash for me. I didn't want to take any more of a hit on it. I was already down a little, so I figured I just cut the trade. I didn't know how much further it was going down, but it did go down into the uptrend. Kind of bounced off of it, tried to head back higher, but again it could not reclaim that 25.31. If I was to enter back into this trade, that's the spot I was looking for, but never was able to reclaim it. Came back down, so probably tomorrow it might reclaim it and then push higher, but again I typically back off once I pretty much got the trade wrong. So now I'll probably wait for it to take out the highs or something like that to even consider taking this one again. And the reason why it did come down the way it did come down was this morning I actually was reading news on it. Anytime I'm swinging the trade, I try to read every morning, see if anything new came out. It was downgraded, but again, the downgrade was to $43, so I didn't expect it to pull all the way down here. So I don't know if I was missing something or if I overread or I overlooked something. I don't know, but it came down. Hey, what the heck? Not every trade is going to go my way. I just cut it off quick, and then that's when I went to the other trade, which is GRUB, G-R-U-B, which is here. So I pretty much was watching this one. Once I exited that trade, I missed the pull, so I was just looking for at least some kind of break here to pop. It pretty much pulled into some support, like pulled right into some support, and then started bouncing. So once it started bouncing, I noticed it break this downtrend. I pretty much took a position right in here, and I know I had a bigger downtrend to break. Got rejected. My profits wasn't much by here, so I just stuck it in, and I was looking for this to break. Once it broke this, I think I took profit right in here. Was my first piece. I think I was at 110% or something like this at this point, return, and I'm holding the remaining piece on a swing. I'm looking for a higher move. I thought I wasn't going to get it, honestly, but again it pulled. As you can see, it's pulling right into support. It held the support towards the end of the hour, well, towards market close. It pretty much started popping again. So once I noticed that, I figured I'll hold on to the last piece and see if I can swing and get some higher. It did pop up to 120.20 after hours, so looking good. It took a little dip, still in the same area. So I would probably think this can probably push higher tomorrow. I like the news behind it. It has made a nice little move already, and we are trading at high. So I know if we can take this out tomorrow, this can probably push even harder, because it's probably going to start hitting people's scanners and getting on people's radars, and they'll probably jumping in it and push it higher. So we'll see how this plays out. But I am in the money, so right now I'm just playing with house money, so it's not going to hurt me or anything. Again, those are the two trades I took in the past 2 days. GRUB is currently on as a swing, and tomorrow we'll see what comes. I don't know if I would just do an intraday trade or if I'll take an intraday trade like this one I took and then turn into a swing. So I don't know what happens. It's a day-to-day based thing when it comes to me, but this one just turned into a swing, how it traded out. Lovely chart, strong. So hopefully I get a continuation tomorrow. But again, I'm playing with house money, so I'm happy with that. Again, if you have any comments, leave them below. Any questions, leave them below. Feel free to send me an email if you have any questions as well. Again, if you like what you're hearing, give me a like. Again, if these videos are helping, please subscribe. Thank you for taking the time out and listening. Again, this is Mark Sky Stocks. Thank you. Take care.